Good evening, YouTube. Today is October 9th, 2019. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin Cash from your Coinbase account. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm not going to be posting on some sort of regular basis. Instead, I'm going to be posting on demand. So when people have questions, they can ask them in the comments of any video, and I'll generally respond with a video. So today's video is in response to a question I had about 3 days ago. Username is Justin, so just Justin. So if you're watching this, shout out to you. This video is for you. Before we get started, as usual, I'm not a financial professional or advisor, so do these things at your own risk. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into things. So I'm already logged into Coinbase. Make sure you're logged in too, and make sure in the URL you're at coinbase.com/dashboard. I don't think the question mark matters. Essentially, to buy Bitcoin Cash, go to the top right hand corner, click on trade, and you'll see that you can buy, sell, or convert. We want to buy, okay? We want to buy Bitcoin Cash. So now, just indicate how to. I'm trying to scroll, but I don't know why it's not letting me. So for now, yeah, so I selected Bitcoin Cash, right? Or Bitcoin Cash, here we go. And you just say you want to buy it with your bank account. So I already have my bank account linked. And then just type in the amount. So I want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin Cash, preview purchase, and then it converts it for you. It tells you how much you're going to get for $10, which account you're paying with. So this is my bank account. The current price of Bitcoin Cash. So I'm paying over $10. The purchase is gonna get me $9.01 after I pay a 99-cent Coinbase fee, and then you just hit buy now. I personally don't care about Bitcoin Cash, so I'm not actually gonna hit buy now. But if you want to get it right now, then click on buy now. That's it. That's this whole video. If you have questions, please use the comments. Have a good night.